In this video, I'll show you how to recover a permanently disabled Facebook account. Start by opening Chrome and searching for the given link. Type "disabled account" in the search bar and open the relevant result. Scroll down and click on "My personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled." Then scroll further, choose "No," copy the appeal text from the description, paste it into the form, and fill in your details. Before submitting, make sure your account follows all Facebook policies. Finally, click Submit to send your appeal. That's all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.